Good morning and welcome back to my channel. So I thought the way for me to start vlogging again might be a good idea to do Vlogmas. So it kind of gets me into doing videos again because I really do enjoy it, but I just don't have time. Well, I do, but I work from home, so I have a little bit of time. But I'm gonna start Vlogmas. I'll do like 3 days at a time. The last video on here should have been my home tour, so I will start by showing you the upgrades we've made. You probably saw in the background, we still do not have cabinet doors. We are painting them, and it's just easier if I get them all up together all at the same time. I'm about halfway through painting them. Hopefully by the end of this, they will all be painted. But I'll show you a tour of the room we're in now because this room is almost completely finished. The only thing we have to do in here is buy some trim, but it's livable. And yeah, so I'm gonna do probably like every 3 days do some vlogs. So today is December the 1st on a Thursday, so we'll do Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And yeah, I'll take you along with me. Me and Teddy just got back from Starbucks. I got a pink drink and Teddy is super excited to go in. I'm gonna go make myself some oatmeal too. I'm gonna make myself some oatmeal. It's the maple brown sugar oatmeal. Again, I am currently 26 weeks pregnant, so that's a little bump date. But yeah, I'm gonna make myself some oatmeal real quick. Ignore the kitchen because this is not one room that we have finished yet. We are almost finished with that back room and the bathroom, and then we're gonna do the kitchen and then dining room, and somewhere in there we've been working on the baby's room. So it's just been a lot. In our new house, we have like a bunch of wild cats and just kind of hang out in the neighborhood. I think there's a few people who feed them, but this is like the closest I can ever get to them because they always run away when I see them. So I'm just sitting here working and watching them from the window because it's adorable. Okay, so this is a tour of the family room, the only almost completed room of the house. All we have to do is get trim, paint the trim, and get a new door because we need an outdoor door, not an interior door, because that's to our garage. So anyhow, what we did in here is we painted the old, it was like brown paneling. We painted it white, and then we painted that wall blue, and we put down flooring because before there was hardwood, but it was only up until maybe about where that rug ends, and then the rest was all particle board, so we just decided to cover it up. But anyhow, let's go ahead and look at some of our Christmas decorations. So he decorated the blanket ladder with the Merry and Bright sign. I have a countdown I have to put up here too, but we haven't done that yet. But you know, we got our stocking holder. Sorry, I can't remember where I left off, but it's really, I haven't bought batteries for it. I have to go get batteries and fan hooks for a few other things, but it lights up. And got our decorations. Those lanterns are from our wedding, and so is that one, and our tree, and our cute little gnomes. Okay, so that is how I decorated our family room, and I will show you all the other ones as we go. Okay, we just got back from dinner, and tonight was our night to go out. We only go out like once a week. So tonight was Mexican night, and I came home to some packages because last week was obviously Thanksgiving and Black Friday. And I got 2 things for the baby and 1 thing for myself, so I'm gonna do a little unboxing. Okay, up first is the thing for myself. It is a Hill House nap dress. They had a sale on the basics, and I really have been wanting one of the basic black ones. So I got the basic black nap dress in, what is this, the crepe material. It's like a little bit different. I normally like the cotton material, but this one, a lot of people said it was like wrinkle resistant. And that's why I like the cotton, is because the other one, it gets wrinkly really fast. And I just think it's nice to have a black dress. All right, next thing is from Solly Baby, which is it's like those baby wraps. And I really wanted one. And they're organic cotton and all that. And this is the color. I'm not going to wrap it right now because I'm going to have to wash all the baby stuff here soon eventually. But this is the color. It's kind of like a pinky. It's coming off more brown on camera, but it's like a pinky brown. And then next is last thing. Okay, last thing's kind of for me and the baby, but I've been very good with not overspending on a lot of things for the baby, but there's a few things I don't want to compromise on. And one of them was the diaper bag, just because it's something that I'm going to be carrying around all the time. So Black Friday, I ended up getting this Coach diaper bag. It's very cute, and I think I'll love it because even after the baby's done eating a diaper bag, it's like a little book bag, and I can use it for pretty much everything. But yeah, I really like this. It's got like leather up here, and it's canvas down here. All right, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow for the second day of my vlogs. Good morning. It is currently Friday, December 2nd. I am working today, but I am taking my lunch break a little early because today is the Bath & Body Works candle sale. I don't know if everyone gets excited as I do, but I get super excited. I did buy some online. I bought all the Christmas ones I wanted online because I don't know if they're going to be available in store or not. But I want to go see if they have any of like the leftover summer or fall ones because a lot of times in store they have that. But anyhow, I got dressed for the day. I got just a really comfy outfit on, sweatshirt and leggings. And I'm going to wear Bath & Body Works Pure Wonder today. And if you're wondering what that smells like, it is Iced Rosé, Star Jasmine, and Warm White Amber. So I'll go ahead and do a haul for you if I do get anything in store. If not, probably in a few videos from now, you'll get a haul of what I ordered online. Okay, so I didn't end up getting anything from Candle Day, but I did end up getting a smoothie and a sandwich for lunch. But I might go to a different location later. The one at my mall, I did a small clip, but you probably couldn't see anybody in there, but there was a ton of people in there and it was extremely overwhelming, and it just felt kind of like the selection wasn't what I wanted. So I might go later to a different location that's a little bit less popular, I guess. Like not a lot of people go to that location, so they might have more options, but we'll go ahead and see. Good morning. I did not vlog much at all yesterday, so I'm already clearly Good morning. I didn't vlog much yesterday at all, so clearly I'm already, didn't mean to turn that off. Clearly I'm already failing at this. Let me go in my room. I'm going to get dressed, get ready for the day. It's Saturday, my favorite day, Saturdays and Sundays, because I don't have to work. But I'm gonna get dressed and I have some running to do. And then today is hopefully going to be an exciting day because we're supposed to do the board and batten on the baby's room. And I am so excited about that. I've been looking forward to doing that for a while, but right now I'm gonna make my bed, get dressed, and get ready for the day. Okay, so I did decorate my room for Christmas a little bit. You know, we are just moving in, so boxes, that stuff all needs to go. That's gonna go to the basement. That is getting broken down and torn down, thrown away. But yeah, I added some greenery. It's from my bridal shower. It actually lights up. And I added that, and then we got our cute little presents. Ignore the rest of the house. We're trying. It's only been a month since we moved in, but we are slowly but surely making progress. Okay, quick little outfit of the day before we head out. We got a flannel, a gray shirt, leggings, pink Uggs, and perfume of the day is going to be Hope. It was a Christmas scent last year. It's winter peach, velvet peach, vanilla meringue, and creamy jasmine. I actually really like this one. I bought it, I think, during their sale at the end of the year last year. And I didn't use it much because it's a Christmas scent, so I'm using it now. But yeah, let's go. I have to run to the bank, so probably nothing fun there. And then coffee for my husband, and I might stop at TJ Maxx. All right, let's go. Just got my drink I switched to during pregnancy, pink drink, and Nick still drinks my old favorite, which I can't drink anymore because I'm trying to avoid a lot of caffeine. Iced white chocolate mocha with vanilla sweet cream cold foam and caramel drizzle, which I told Nick as soon as I have the baby, that is the first thing I want to drink. Picking up the wood right now. We got some 12-foot pieces, 6-foot pieces. We're at Lowe's. Okay, we did start working on the baby's room. I'm currently working on priming the cabinet doors. We're in the basement right now because this is where I paint. And I had a breakdown and bought a new washer and dryer because the ones we had were from previous owners, and I think they're from the 70s. And I could not handle that anymore. So I went and bought a new washer and dryer. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I think I'm not gonna really show the baby's room a ton because I'm gonna do a whole dedicated video on renovating the baby's room. All right, but go ahead and keep watching for the next 3 days. This is the end of the first, second, and third. Bye.